Okay, so we're ready to start some yoga now. Now, some of you may have done some yoga before, some of you might have no idea what it is. That is okay, because we're going to start from the beginning. And I am 100% sure that you're going to be absolutely fine doing this. Now, yoga is something where we use our bodies and our breathing to help us to have fun and also to relax. And really come into our full body so that we're not just our minds, but that we realise that we have our hearts and our bodies help us to stay calm, to help us when we might feel a little bit afraid or worried or scared, and to help us when we feel angry or frustrated. So this will help you with all of those things, and some of these exercises that we're going to do, you can do on your own after you've finished watching the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is pretend that we are things that we would see in a garden. And there are some yoga exercises that help us pretend to be those things. So if we think of the garden, or what we might see outside, one thing that we always see when we go outside is a tree. So we're going to start by pretending to be a tree. So start by putting your feet on the floor. Okay, plant your roots like a tree. Stand up straight. And then when you are ready, you're going to take one foot and bring it and to place it on your knee like that, so that only one leg becomes a really thick trunk of the tree. Okay. So when you're ready, you choose your leg and choose your foot that you're going to lift, and lift your foot, place it on your knee, plant your root, and then let's make our branches. So as you breathe in, bring up your branches and become tall like a tree. That's it. And just stay like that for a minute. If you feel wobbly, concentrate on one thing in front of you. Maybe it's the TV, maybe it's me, and then come down. So if you get wobbly when you're doing that, when you become the tree, focus on one object in front of you. The TV, it might be the wall, just one spot. Okay, so let's try that again, see how we can balance. So feet on the floor, breathe in, bring your foot up, breathe out, plant your root, breathe in, make the branches. Tall like a tree, hold it, maintain your balance, look at one object, and then breathe out, bring the branches down, and stand up straight. Well done. Well done. So pause, just shake. Rid of all of that treeness from you, and then let's just be a tree with thicker trunks. So I want you to breathe in, and as you breathe out, bring your branches out. Be tall like a tree, strong like a tree, and then breathe in here. And bring the branches down. Well done. And then shake that. Okay, so I was thinking, what else might we pretend to be in the garden? Well, we can pretend to be a frog. We might not see many frogs at this time of year, but you know, they're going to be arriving soon. So let's think of what a frog would look like. Well, a frog doesn't stand up straight, does it? A frog is something that tends to be very low to the ground. So we're going to come down into a crouch position, into what's called a squat position. Now, you can either have your whole foot flat on the ground, or if you're like me and you can't do that, you can come up on your tippy toes. It doesn't matter, because sometimes frogs can be up on the tips of their feet, sometimes they're not, so it doesn't matter. And if we're going to pretend to be a frog, we're going to pretend to be a frog that's about to jump. So if we think of a frog, they would have the palms of their arms, their front legs, that are on the ground. So I want you to put your hands flat on the ground and then come up on your tippy toes like you're ready to jump. Okay. And I just want you to be in this crouch position, imagining now that you are a frog about to jump. And let's be like this for a few minutes. And as you are the frog, I want you to imagine that you are on the side of a pond and you're looking around at the water, pond water, at the trees, at the leaves and the grass. Looking around, deciding where you're going to leap to. Look around, look at the sun if it's out, and then come back. And imagine that you're that frog that jumps. Well done. So what else might we see in the garden? Well, if it was summer, we would see a butterfly. So we're going to pretend to be a butterfly now. So I would like you to come down into seated. And this time I want you to bring the soles of your feet together. And I want you to take your hands and place them around the soles of your feet. And we're going to imagine that these become one wing of the butterfly, the legs become one set of wings of the butterfly, and your arms become the other. Okay. So hold your feet, hold out your legs, hold out your arms, and just pretend now that you are a butterfly, a beautiful butterfly. You can close your eyes and imagine what colour your wings are. And you can move from side to side and imagine that you are a butterfly flying through the sky, going up and down, up and down. Imagining that the sun is shining, that the sky is blue, and you're just floating around, moving side to side like a butterfly. That's it. And then slowly come to stop with the rocking. Bring your legs into cross legs. This time we're going to pretend to be a flower. We're going to pretend to be a flower. So you keep your legs crossed and you're going to imagine that the middle part of your body, the centre part of your body, is the stem of the flower, and that your face is the face of the flower, and that your hands and your arms are the petals of the flower. Okay, so sit up straight, nice and straight, like the stem of a flower. Hold out your face so that you become the beautiful face of the flower, and put your palms facing upwards And imagine that your arms are the petals of the flower. That's it. And stand up straight, sit up straight, and look forward and smile, because flowers are always very beautiful and very happy. Smile at the camera, smile at me, smile at your TV or your phone or your computer, and just enjoy being that beautiful flower. That's it. And you can even close your eyes and imagine that the sun is shining on you, making you become even bigger and even brighter and even more beautiful. Bring your arms into the centre of your body. Place your hands on your legs now. And let's just pause for a minute. And then I was thinking, what is the main thing that we would see in a garden now? Well, the main thing we would see in a garden now is really things as seeds. Little seeds that are planted in the earth, in the ground, getting ready for the spring where they can actually start to grow. So the final thing we are going to pretend to be in a garden is a seed. A seed. So what I would like you to do is to come up onto your knees. Okay, sit on the soles of your feet, and then you're going to curl up and become like a seed in the ground. So you're going to bring your body down and your forehead, your head onto the ground, and place your hands with your palms facing upwards down by your sides and curl up completely, imagining that you're a seed planted in the ground. Deep, deep, deep in the ground, waiting for the sun to shine for you to grow. So pause here, wait here, and then close your eyes and imagine that the sun starts to shine. And as the sun starts to shine, I want you to start to unfold your body, slowly coming up into sitting. So you're sitting up straight, and then bring your hands and arms up, imagining now, if you look at what I'm doing, that your arms are the stem of the plant starting to grow, weaving the way through the ground and then out, facing towards the sun. Feel the warm sun on your hands as you start to grow back, all the way back into being that beautiful flower again. Okay, well done.